And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. So what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Reese's Extreme Blizzard. So they always had well, have, I should say, not had, because I think they still have it. They always have a Reese's Blizzard, but this one is Reese's Extreme. So I'm guessing it's more Reese's stuff in it. Wow, look at that. It's crazy. So that's what I'm guessing. So Reese's Extreme Blizzard. So this should be very interesting. Oh, and this is brand new. So we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see how. Let me put it on this because they fold this up too much. Can't have it overflowing on the table. So we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see how it is sitting. And I like Reese's is one of my best like sweets to eat, and they have it in a blizzard. So I will see just how this baby is. Okay, let's get going. Before this baby start melts. Oh my god. Mm. Wow. Whoa. I think this have more Reese's in it than the Blizzard. Well, I guess that's why it's the Reese's Extreme. Mm. Wow. Wow. Mm. It's like every bite. Mm. This is awesome. Talk about a game changer. So, like, this is definitely not flavored. Like, the bits of Reese's is literally in there, and that's what I like. Mm. I think this is way well it did said Reese's Extreme, so I'm guessing this have more Reese's in it than the normal one. Mm. It like it would sort of seem like when McDonald's came out with their, what was it called, Giant Big Mac or something like that, where it was like a Big Mac but like bigger and more of the sauce and everything. Mm. Bro, this is delicious. Mm. Oh my god. Who came up with these things? They have some things in there. I'm not sure if it's. I don't think it's Skittles. Maybe Smarties. Mm. Bro, and this is why I always like to try these things on camera. Because you can't fake a first impression. Stir this baby in real nice. Literally delicious. Mm. I will give this, I would say 8 out of 10. It was definitely delicious and not too sweet. That's why I like, it's enjoyable sweet. So not to the point where, you know, like normally when places have sweet things, you take like 2 bites out of something, then you have to go drink a lot of water. No, this is like enjoyable sweet. Reese's Extreme. When I started the video, I almost was about to say Extreme Reese's, and then I was like, it's not Extreme Reese's, it's Reese's Extreme. Man, but it's cold though. It's okay. But definitely an 8 out of 10. It's enjoyable sweet, like I said. And and it's limited edition, so it is gonna go away because I think this is their blizzard of the month. So every month they have a new blizzard. And this is not under their, what's it called, their summer blizzard. No, this is blizzard of the month. So next month it is gonna go away. Bro, this is why I like trying all these stuff on camera, man. Like, you can't, like, even it's like even when you surprise somebody or you do something, you can't fake a first impression. It doesn't really matter how hard you try. Like, I could have tried this off camera, but if I try it the second time on camera and pretend to be the first time, it won't be natural, if you know what I mean. It's definitely crazy. I'm gonna crush this later. I'm not kidding. I'm literally gonna destroy this later. So remember, it's limited edition. Very interesting. So make sure you. Ooh. My body be liking this. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me. And that's what I like. It's funny how Dairy Queen put a lot of effort into making their Blizzard amazing, but shakes, man, they have bad shakes. Like, I've never tried a shake from Dairy Queen and I was like, this is like, I don't know. I think they focus more on their Blizzard because I think, like, I'm not quite sure, but I'm guessing that's what they're mainly known for. Like, they have burgers and these stuff, but I think they're mainly known for their Blizzards. Oh, speaking of Blizzard, sorry, this is a medium flavor. It's crazy. But, I don't know. They're not like, shakes, I don't think shakes is for them. I think they just have shakes just so people who don't want the Blizzard can come in. And if they don't want it too sweet, maybe that's why their shake is like that. But I don't know. They don't have good shakes. But their Blizzard, amazing. So remember, it's limited edition and it is going to go away. So make sure you try it before it's gone and let me know what you think. Let me know if you're this excited as me. But if you are a fan of, like, if you like Reese's Cup and Reese's Puff, then you will definitely enjoy this. I'm not kidding. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do my stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.